guys, this week we have something really big coming. I've made this huge canvas and we're gonna be doing a big painting, I think, for Johnny at Fix Auto. We're super excited. So let's just jump right into this and let's get started. So because we actually built this canvas and it's an unbleached canvas, we have to put on quite a couple of coats of white paint. So I actually just ran out. So me and my wife are gonna go quickly run to the store while this first coat dries, and then you'll see us in 20 minutes, maybe less. So now we're back from the store and I've got my bucket of white paint, and now I'm going to finish my second coat on this canvas. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Johnny, this one's for you. Less is more. I'm just kidding. We're going to finish this off now that we got this all coated in a white coat. That's about it for now. I'm going to let this dry and then I'm going to come back to it. So now that I've whited out my canvas, it's time to start playing around with some of the colors that I'm going to be using. So guys, that's it. We have a beautiful painting for Johnny. He wanted very neutral colors and a lot of white, but we got a lot of texture, and I think that was the main goal here, was just to get a lot of body and a lot of texture with this painting. To me it looks like a beach, like a crashing wave coming in, and this is kind of like a sandy beach here. Really pretty. I think it's something nice. If you want to go see like a full proper picture of this, you can go check out our Instagram. It'll be linked in the description box below. Yeah, awesome painting. Thanks for this opportunity, Johnny. We had an awesome time. You can go check out his Instagram. It'll also be linked in the description box. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.